this long train on a long ride. Gonna stay a long time, losing no love, starting a new life, taking a slow train, leaving tonight. Heartbroken and I'm feeling low down. I'm sick and tired of life I'm in around this old town. And I'm getting tired of crying over you. So honey, guess what I'm gonna do? Taking a slow train on a long ride. Gonna stay a long time, losing an old love, starting a new life, taking a slow train, leaving tonight. Hope you all enjoyed us. We appreciate you. Thanks for being a part of it. We're glad to be with you. Decatur County. Taking a slow train on a long ride. Gonna stay a long time, losing a long love, starting a new life.